Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. The UK immigration and citizenship process is multifaceted, depending on factors such as the type of visa, the length of stay, and whether you seek permanent residency or citizenship. Below is a comprehensive breakdown of the key stages in the process and the associated costs, as of 2024. Always check the UK government's official website for the latest fees and requirements, as these are subject to change. 1. Entry visa, temporary residency. If you are coming to the UK for work, study, or family reasons, you will likely need a visa. Here are common visa categories. A. Work visa, skilled worker visa, for skilled workers with a job offer from a UK employer. Cost: £610 minus £1,408, depending on the visa length and job shortage. Immigration health surcharge, IHS, £624 per year. English language test, if applicable, £150. B. Student visa Tier 4, General, Student visa, for individuals studying in the UK. Cost: £490. IHS, £624 per year, based on the length of your course. Tuberculosis, TB, test, if applicable, £65, required from certain countries. C. Family visa, spouse, partner, child, parent of a child in the UK. Cost: £1,538. IHS, £624 per year. English language test, if applicable, £150. 2. Settlement visa, indefinite leave to remain ILR, after a qualifying period, usually 5 years, but sometimes shorter for certain visas like innovator or investor. You may be eligible to apply for indefinite leave to remain ILR. This grants the right to live and work in the UK indefinitely. ILR application fee, £2,885. Life in the UK test, £50, must pass this test. Biometric enrollment fee, £19.20. Total estimated ILR cost, ILR fee, £2,885. Life in the UK test, £50. Biometric fee, £19.20. Total, £2,954.20. 3. UK citizenship. After holding ILR for at least 12 months, you may be eligible to apply for UK citizenship through naturalization. Some applicants can apply immediately after receiving ILR if married to a UK citizen. Naturalization fee, £1,330. Biometric enrollment fee, £19.20. Citizenship ceremony, if applying within the UK, £80. English language test, if not already provided for previous visas, £150. Total estimated citizenship cost, citizenship application fee, £1,330. Biometric fee, £19.20. Ceremony fee, £80. Total, £1,429.20. 4. Overall costs. Example scenarios. A. Skilled worker path, 5-year route, skilled worker visa, £610, for 3-year visa, plus £624, IHS, times 5 equals £3,730. ILR application, £2,954.20. Citizenship application, £1,429.20. Total, £8,113.40. B. Family visa path, 5-year route, family visa, £1,538 times 2, since the initial visa is for 2.5 years, plus £624, IHS, times 5 equals £7,080. ILR application, £2,954.20. Citizenship application, £1,429.20. Total, £11,463.40. C. Student to skilled worker path. Example, student visa, £490 plus £624, IHS, times 4 equals £2,986. Skilled worker visa, 610 pounds plus 624 pounds, IHS, times 5 equals 3,730 pounds. ILR application, 2,954 pounds and 20 pence. Citizenship application, 1,429 pounds and 20 pence. Total, till 11,099 pounds and 40 pence. 5. Additional costs translations of documents, if applicable, 50 pounds to 100 pounds per document. Legal fees, if you hire an immigration lawyer, 1,000 pounds minus 4,000 pounds, depending on the complexity. Dependent applications, additional costs for each dependent family member applying for visas, ILR, or citizenship. Priority services, optional fees for faster processing, £500 minus 800 pounds. Keynotes, visa renewal costs. For some visas, e.g., family, skilled worker, you must renew after a certain period before applying for ILR. IHS, paid upfront for the full visa duration, refunded for unused years if you switch to ILR. Processing time, ILR applications can take up to 6 months, and naturalization can take several months. Conclusion: navigating the UK immigration and citizenship process involves significant costs, but the total varies based on individual circumstances, e.g., visa type, family size. The pathway can range from approximately £8,000 to £12,000 per person over several years, with additional costs for dependents or expedited services. Thank you for watching this video.